Hi, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J. I'm a digital marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to target to attract buyers that like to shop for discounts. This is going to be very effective for those of you who are running online brands or selling services but tend to do a lot of discounts and offers, 20% off, 30% off, buy one, get one free. I'm going to be showing you the audiences that you can target in order to help you get some quick wins. I'm going to be showing you a secret audience that not a lot of people know about, and I'm going to be showing you step by step and how to find them. So you guys, you know how I go. I don't waste no time. Let's get into the video. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to target people that tend to be discount buyers or tend to buy products or services when there's an offer, right? These audiences that I'm going to reveal to you, right, are going to be in line with the type of businesses that tend to do 20% off, 50% off. We know in the world of on the e-commerce space, the DTC space, D2C space, that is direct to consumer space. A lot of brands tend to run offers. So they'll be like, oh, get this one lipstick for 20% off and get another lipstick for free or something like that, right? And in terms of buying into those offers, there's a mentality when it comes to the customer. That customer that always buys offers, uses discount codes, uses coupon codes, is never willing to pay things full price. There's a mentality to that. And that means that if there's a mentality to that, that means that is a specific type of customer, right? So I'm going to show you how to target these type of customers to help you get some sales for your online businesses. So as we can see here, we're in our trusted ads manager. Now, some of you already know, all you got to do is click create right here. And then click sales. You always want to click sales, especially if you're trying to get online conversions. Click sales, yeah? Then click continue. Then right here, we are in the campaign level. And all we've got to do is to scroll down. We can turn this on. And again, for the sake of the video, we'll just leave this budget the way it is, yeah? Then, after we've chosen our budget, we've chosen who we're going to be the campaign objective, then we'll click next right here. Then guys, now we are at the ad set level. Here is basically where we choose the settings or basically where we're going to target, where we're going to choose what type of targeting that we want our ads to be shown for. So we want to select website. And here, you want to select your pixel right here. Once you've selected your pixel, you always want to choose purchase, this purchase event right here. Then we're going to scroll down. So here you got your locations, you got the age, you got the gender, you got all that good stuff. And here, guys, is the detailed targeting. Now, this is where we're going to put in the targeting in order to attract more types of buyers that like to look for discounts and offers, right? So these are the type of interest that I tend to put in, especially if you want to get some quick wins and get some quick sales. And you're doing a lot of offers, like money off discount type of offers in your ads. So you click browse, and then you're going to get these three options: demographics, interest, behaviors, all that, yeah? Then you select behaviors. Then you get all these different options. A lot of people are going to go down to here, purchase behavior. But nah, everyone knows that. Everyone knows about engaged shoppers. Everyone knows that. Yeah, that's old school. Yeah. These audiences work, but I'll show you a better audience. So you don't go to purchase behavior. You go to behaviors. So there's two. So you click on behaviors, then behaviors again, then purchase behaviors. Click here, and here you go. Purchase with offer. And then you click on it again, and it shows it again. You can tick it. And here you go. And here, that's a big audience of between 21 million to over 25 million. Purchase with offer. So if you're selling products that, especially if your offer is 20% off, get this and buy one free, do this. These are the types of audiences that you want to be targeting, because it's a behavior. It's a behavior. And when it's a behavior, it's a particular type of customer. Another way to target discount customers, or customers that like to look for discounts. If you click on here and let's type in Black Friday. Sometimes it doesn't. There we go. There we go. Facebook tried to be slick. They tried to say that there's no offers when really it's here. Sometimes when you type in any interest or behaviors or anything like that, try it again, just in case. Yeah, because sometimes it doesn't want to show it. But here we go. And it can be a bit glitchy sometimes. But here we go. So you got Black Friday shopping, Black Friday sale, Black Friday deals. Look at the sizes of these audiences. But these are interests, not behaviors. Interests, right? So these may have been people who have maybe just typed into Google Black Friday offers, and it's pretty much just showed up here as an interest, right? So these are audiences worth targeting. Another one, discount. So you can put in discount stores. You can put in particular discount stores. So if you know the names of certain discount stores that you know that they sell discounts, they do mad discounts, crazy offers, then you can put the names of those stores into there. You can even do another one, coupons. Here we go. Coupons and discounts. Coupons.com. Queen Bee coupons and savings. Coupons and free. So as you can see again, you can also target these, because these types of people that are in these interest groups and these behavior groups, they are looking for offers and discounts. They're not looking to buy products and services full price. So when you're targeting these guys, you want to make sure that you're hitting them with an amazing offer, an amazing discount, an amazing deal that's really hard to reject or say no to. So by targeting these, this is how you're going to get the quick wins. This is how you're going to get the quick wins and the quick sales. Yeah. And this is something to test as well. And make sure you test these different ones to see which one works for you. But guys, this one, but look at the side. Guys, definitely try this one, because this is a massive audience. Especially with iOS 14, 15, what is working now is bigger audiences. We want big, juicy audiences. Yeah. So guys, that is how you target people who their behavior is always looking for discounts, always looking for offers. This is how you find these people, by targeting them like this. Yeah. As usual, I'll be coming back with more marketing tips and tricks to help you guys. If you want to learn more, check out the links in the description. and I'll be back again with another video to help you guys in your businesses. Take care, guys.